So it's Monday. Why am I putting a video out today? Well, last week was NAGIS, the North American Game Industry Summit, as well as GameCon Canada. And at GameCon Canada, I talked to a bunch of indie developers, got footage of their games, and I'm in the process of making a bunch of videos showcasing those games. The videos are very short. I don't think I have a single one that's over 2 minutes long. So the plan is have this video today, and then we're going to release those other videos very quickly over the next 2 weeks so that they don't linger on my channel for too long and they're available for people to check out games, wishlist them, in a few cases buy them right away, and then we can get back to our regularly scheduled program. Hopefully you find them interesting. If you don't, then I guess I will see you back here in 2 weeks. One favor I would ask is if you watch one of my videos and that makes you either wishlist a game or buy it or download the demo, just let me know that by dropping a comment in the video, because that lets me know that these were actually successful. I didn't film everything that was there. Sometimes it was because there was a line of people waiting to play the game when I walked by. Sometimes it's because the footage didn't turn out. Sometimes it's because I forgot. I also filmed several games more than once. So if your game got missed, know that it's not because I didn't want to film you. It was simply because of external circumstances. After we finish with these videos, I'm going to do a video as well talking about some best practices that I have in terms of how to demo at a convention. I'm not going to call anyone out by name, but there's a few things that I saw that I think are worth people knowing that can allow you to pivot your experience just a little bit to get a lot more out of a convention like this. So that's the plan for the next 2 weeks. I hope you'll check out these videos. I hope you will find something that you want to play. If you do, again, let me know. I will see you again soon. Thank you.